Welcome to GAAP Advisors channel. This video discusses an example of non-compliance with Ind AS 1 on presentation of financial statements. If you are an auditor, investor, lender or employee of a listed company, after watching the videos on GAAP Advisors channel, download the financial statements of the listed company and see whether the company has reported similar to that being discussed in these videos. If found, make the company aware of the issues in their financial statements, enabling the company to excel in financial reporting in India, and please contribute your desired amount towards the value creation by scanning the QR code given in the slides. A review of financial statements lets you know the degree of reliance you can place on the information in those financial statements. If you would like to get financial statements reviewed by GAAP advisors, you may mail them to info@gapadvisors.com. A listed company has disclosed the note on other expenses as shown in this slide. The company has analyzed the expenses based on functions such as manufacturing function, administration function, and selling and distribution function. Within those functions, the company has analyzed based on nature of expenses. Thus, rent expense has been bifurcated into manufacturing and selling expenses. Para 99 of Ind AS 1 requires an entity to present an analysis of expenses recognized in profit or loss using a classification based on nature of expense method. I will repeat again. Para 99 of Ind AS 1 requires an entity to present an analysis of expenses recognized in profit or loss using a classification based on nature of expense method. Para 100 of Ind AS 1 encourages entities to present analysis in Para 99 in the statement of profit and loss. Thus, the analysis of expenses based on nature of expense may be presented in notes. The company has analyzed expenses on mixed basis, that is based on both function and nature. This is not in accordance with Para 99 of Ind AS 1. Due to this, notes have been impacted. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this video was useful and you have contributed your desired amount by scanning the QR code towards the value created. If you would like to get financial statements reviewed by GAAP advisors, you may mail them to info@gapadvisors.com.